Workers' compensation is one of our big practice areas, and there are a lot of unique problems that arise for people who get hurt on the job that are unique to workers' comp and aren't the same with personal injury. There are 4,214,200 injuries that occurred on the job in the United States in 2005. In 2005, there were 125,400 injuries just in Georgia. 200 of those in Georgia were workers who lost their lives while working on the job. This is a serious problem, and injuries and death claims need to have help. When an injured worker calls me, they're often wanting to know more about their benefits under workers' compensation. And those benefits do involve medical treatment as long as it's with authorized workers' comp doctors, income benefits up to a certain amount for all the weeks that you're off work, unable to work due to your injuries and with a disability certificate from the doctor, and impairment benefits for the permanent partial disability rating that you get. Now that is compensation for your loss of use of your body, which is a permanent assignment that a doctor would give based on the 5th edition AMA guidelines, and that is determining after you've reached maximum medical improvement what is left as far as the use of your body. So they're going to assign a rating. My firm makes sure that we maximize in a settlement all of the exposures that they have in all three to make sure that you get a settlement that fully compensates you for the full value of the case. If someone calls me and they are not missing time from work, but they're banged up to some extent, the first thing I'm going to do is explain to them their rights and the things that they need to do to protect their claim. Even if I didn't take the case, I'm still going to let them know what these deadlines are. I'm also going to encourage them to get the treatment they need. They should never treat more than they need, but certainly continuing to get the treatment that you need until you're better is important, because you only have one shot at this. Once the case is closed and a deadline is passed or a statute of limitations is passed, you can't go back. So it's important to make sure you do get all the treatment that you need and that you have your rights protected. Not everybody, is going to have a case that we can help. Some people we're just going to offer advice to and guide them through the process with that interview process. But we're glad to do that as well. We welcome anyone who's hurt on the job to give us a call, because we can help them. Now, hopefully we'll have a case that we can accept and be able to get a recovery for them in the form of a workers' comp settlement. But we welcome the call from any injured worker if they need to talk about their claim and their rights.